Hi guys, it's Frankie from Frankie Tech. Good to see you guys again. And look what just showed up, the Apple AirTags. And I got the AirTag loop and the leather loop as well. Now guys, I need to rush to work very soon, but I do want to unbox these at least for now. And then I'm going to share my kind of impressions video coming up soon. So let's go ahead and look at these. Let's start with the AirTags 4-pack. Wow, here it is. After all these years, we've been waiting for it. And there you see the AirTags, the 4-pack, lot of 4. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Oh yeah. Slide that open. And I think everyone in the US is going to get their AirTags tomorrow. So once again, we're early here on Frankie Tech. Throw that box aside. And let's open it up. Let's see. There they are. They're the Apple AirTags. That is pretty neat. And now let's go ahead and open up the regular loop. This is the one that I'm going to be using. I got my wife the leather loop, and I hope she does like it. And look at this thing. Now you may be thinking, Frankie Tech, how could you buy these things? Well, because AirTags don't come with any other way to use them. So I figured I might as well try out the Apple accessory. And there you see it. Feels similar to the kind of silicone, or actually similar to the, if you guys have the AirPods adapter and charger, that kind of travel case thing, it feels similar to this. So let's move that to the side, and let's take out one of the AirTags for the first time. Wow. This thing's actually smaller than I thought it would be. Remove the plastic. There we go. Oh, this is actually going to remove the little thing out of the battery, and this will automatically come to life. There you go. So we're going to leave that there for a moment. Let's go ahead and unbox the leather loop as well. And let's have a look. Oh, yeah. Let me smell that leather real quick. That's leather, all right. Now let's go ahead and try to put one of these AirTags into my actual... Let's try to do this real quick. Gonna have to figure out how to do this. Should just slot right in, right? Oh, of course not. You have to open it up. Dumb Frankie Tech. There we go. And we're closed up, and there it is. The AirTag ready to go. Did I tell you guys I was going to be busy today? So I'm waiting for the ferry to get back to work. But I do have now my iPhone 12 Pro Max, and I do also have my Apple AirTag right here. And so what I want to do now is pair this, and then we're going to do a little bit of wallet hiding here, a little hide and seek game. So just going to go ahead and set this up first. And I have not paired it yet, guys, so let's see how it goes. AirTag, connection button, and there it is. You see it, AirTag connected. Gonna try to bring this close to the camera. So we're gonna go ahead and connect it, and we're gonna call this wallet, because that's what I'm using it for right now. And now we are pairing to Francisco's wallet. Here we go. I just heard a little sound here on the Apple AirTag. And it's done, it's ready to go. So let's go view the Find My app. And you can see right here, there it is, Francisco's wallet, right at the North Point Ferry Pier. And here we go, guys. Now we're gonna have some fun with this. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this somewhere, and then we're gonna use the iPhone here to actually find it. Here we go, putting it in here. Now it doesn't fit perfectly in the wallet, but I think if you were to take it out and just put the actual AirTag inside, it will totally fit inside my wallet. So just come with me here real quick, and we're not going to go too far. We don't want to go too far here, but let's just put it somewhere in this corner. There we go, just a couple meters away. This is pretty exciting, guys. I've definitely been curious to try this out. So here we go. Here's the Find My, and so now in the Find My app, I should be able to just press Find My, searching for a signal, try moving to a different location. So it's pretty nearby, you can tell. Signal's weak. Let's see if we can find it now. And there you go, look at that. It says 10 feet, 11 feet. And now let's actually see the arrows here. What is it doing? It's looking for it 8 feet nearby. Oh, keep going, keep going, keep going. 3 feet to your right, 2 feet, 1 feet. Boom. It's right there, guys. Here it is. And we have found my wallet from around 12, maybe 4 meters away. It picked up the signal, and that's the first time I've been at least trying AirTags. And let me tell you, that was pretty neat. It's now vibrating with the phone, and the AirTag made a little sound as well. So of course, just a first look, guys, really, because let's face it, I need to give my full review of this incredible new product from Apple. And stay tuned, of course. We're done with finding now. Stay tuned, of course, for the full review of AirTags coming soon. But that's it for this quick first look, unboxing and first look of AirTags. And hit me up in the comments. Are you picking some of these up yourself? And are you picking up any of the accessories as well? Hit me up in the comments. I'd love to hear about it. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, give me that thumbs up. And if you love the content of Frankie Tech, subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon for future updates. And once again, apologies for the rushed nature of this video. I've got a lot of work today and just trying to fit in videos for you guys. I wanted to get the AirTags video out because I want to start using this and sharing my experience with this device today as well. But anyways, that's it for this one, and this is where I leave you by saying, this is Frankie Tech signing off. Have a good one. Nice color, right? I'm glad I picked the orange this time. Very glad.